Here, and I'm so excited to share with you this delivery box. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and get it put together and see how wonderful it's going to be to have this box outside and collecting all of my deliveries.
Now this is what came with the box. You have a user manual and instructions how to put it together, but it's easy to assemble. There's no tools required. It just snaps in place. Now make sure you follow the directions because it is great and easy to put together the first time. Now this material is so cool. It's lightweight and it's lockable. It's very modern look. It kind of makes you look like it's a wooden material, but it is plastic, so it will withstand the test of time. And all those snaps that you are hearing is ensuring that it is being put together correctly. So easy. No tools required. It does have a hinged top. Look how great that this looks. It is 30 inches in height and it is 20 inches in width. You can fit capacity of 48 gallons, so that's a lot of deliveries you can fit in that box. All in all, this is a great delivery box and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.